Last episode, you built a data frame, a labeled grid of users' plans spend. Now you need to get rows back out. Most people reach for one selector, fight it, and bracket spam their way through. There are exactly 3 doors: labels, positions, and conditions. Pick the right one, and selection stops being a guessing game. Here's the same seeded table from last time: 12 users, a plan, an age, sessions, and spend. The index runs 0 through 11. Those numbers down the left are labels that happen to look like positions, and that collision is exactly where people get burned. Hold that thought. Door 1, all occasion you handed a name. df locvos spend means the row labeled 3, the column named spend. It speaks the language of your index and your headers. If your index were dates or usernames, alloc would take those two, labels in, value out. Door 2, iloc. You hand it a position. Def iloc sort 3, 0.2 means the first 3 rows, the first 2 columns. Pure integer slots, just like a NumPy array. And notice iloc's slice stops before 3, exactly like Python lists, while dot and iloca's label slice would include the endpoint. Same looking brackets, different rules. Door 3, the Boolean mask. You write a condition, df plan downs pro, and Pandas hands back a column of true and false. Combine conditions with ampersand and pipe, wrap each in parentheses, and df mask keeps only the true rows. This is querying, and it's the one you'll reach for most. Here's the program. We seed the generator with default rnd7, build the same 12-row frame, then walk all 3 doors, $1 value, 1 iloc block, and 1 chained Boolean query for pro users who spent over 40. The frame first: rng.choice for plans, rng.integers for age and sessions, rng.gamma, rounded to 2 decimals for spend. Same seed, same numbers every run. Then df.lookout spend pulls 1 labeled cell. Now iloc 02 positions, not names, 3 rows, 2 columns, the slice stopping short of index 3. This is the slot based view, and it never looks at your labels at all. The query: def plan pro and def spend 40, parentheses around each clause, ampersand between. That mask fed to def returns the rows that survive both conditions. Run it. The terminal prints the matched rows, the row count, and their mean spend. Then at3 spend, the fast scalar accessor, and we assert it equals the .loc value. 1 cell, 2 doors, same answer. The figure shows the full table with the selected rows lit up in Pandas pink, and a count badge, 2 rows matched, mean spend 4534. The highlighted cells are literally the rows the mask returned. Figure equals terminal. 3 doors, labels, positions, conditions. Name it, count it, or query it, and never bracket spam blind again. Next episode, we stop selecting rows and start folding them. df.group by, split the table, apply a function, combine the answers.